Welcome back. How's your calculator coming? We noticed that we've got most of the functionality that we needed is up and working, and we're still missing some functionality on a few of the key keys. So the one being the equal sign, that it adds that equal sign in there, and as well as the C, which is not exactly, so that's supposed to actually clear it out. So we have to actually look for those separately. So when we see that if the my value is an equal sign, then well, all we need to do is actually do the valuation. We don't want to do anything outside of there. So let's take a look, and we're going to see if the my value, so do a condition, if my value is equal to, and that's the equal sign that we're looking for. And then the rest we can do else here. So this else stuff can get added in afterwards. So when we take our my value with the equal sign, we're not adding anything. All we're doing is we're doing the evaluation. So that's going to update the text. So 3 plus 3, and we do equal, it will move it into 6. So it doesn't add anything into the string, and we don't actually want that equal sign to add anything into the string itself. So see that that works nice and neatly and gives us the ability to utilize the equal sign. So the other thing that we need to do as well is we need to add some type of function for the C. So if that is a C, then what we want to do is clear out that value. So we're going to take a look, and we're going to see if my value is an equal sign or if it's equal to a C. Or we can have another separate condition for that as well. So checking to see if it's equal to that. And over here, let's do a quick check to see if my value is equal to C. And if it is, then we know that this is a function that we need to run here. And the C is to clear the my calculation. So taking the my calculation, we don't want to do any evaluation or anything like that. We're taking the my calculation, and we're setting my calculation to a value of 0. So that's it. And we can actually do this near the end so that it doesn't interfere with any of our calculations. So even if we've got a bunch of other values there, we're adding it in by default. If we hit clear, always it brings it back down to 0. So here we go. We've got our fully functional calculator all built with JavaScript and as dynamically as possible. So all the calculations works, and you can try it out for yourself. So go ahead and add in these last two conditions to fix the calculator functionality. And coming up next, we'll do a quick code review of all of the functions and all of the code that we've run through and built out to build this calculator. So that's all coming up next.